prescriptivism. This term is just to understand. It is from prescribe. When you instruct someone, do this and don't do this, so you are prescribing. From this, we get the term prescriptivism. So why do we call it ism? You will know this in this module. There are two views about language use. How we use language? Two views exist on that. First is called folk view. Language is perfect and users misuse or corrupt it. Okay. Why is it folk? Because this is not a scientific view. We should protect its perfection. And if we commit some kind of imperfection in use of language, we should mend it, we should correct it, we should restore its perfection. So this is our perfectionist view of language. Language is a natural system, natural things are perfect, so we should maintain its perfection. This is called folk view of language use. Expert view, linguist view. Linguists say that language is natural and changes over time. So what you say imperfection, this is in fact a natural process of change. So let it change itself. We should not intervene. Leave it alone. But one thing is common in both views, folk views and expert view. What is that? Language and language users, they are apart from each other. Language, what Saussure calls long, it is a system. It is a system that is shared by a language community. And for all, this is use of this system. So system and its use, language and its use, they are different from each other. This is what father of linguistics, Saussure says. Another commonality between the two views is, first commonality is that they keep language and use apart. Second similarity between the two views is that they both believe in change. Language can be changed. Whether that change comes because of the users or because of natural process. In both cases, it changes. Folk view favors change through prescriptivism. So when you introduce change through norms, through prescriptions, use language like this way and don't use it like this way, so you also introduce change. Linguists favor change without prescriptives, without prescriptions. Folk view accepts interference of community in language change. They say that language is natural and natural beings use it in communication. Human beings, we are natural beings. And what we use, that is language, it is also natural. So communication is social practice. Use of language is social practices, means part of our social activities. Whatever we do in life, we do it with language. So language is part of our social life. So it means that language is actually natural and it is part of our social life as social beings. We conclude from the discussion of these two views that language is, number one, part of social practice. Naturally, social practices follow norms. And when we talk about norms, we talk about prescriptivism. So prescriptivism is also a kind of natural process according to our point of view that we have discussed in this module.